Hi guys, welcome to V Codewala. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a beautiful hot tea animation like this. You can see a tea with hot tea and with a plate. So, in plate and a cup is also there. So, a hot tea animation like this. To make this, we leave HTML and CSS. Come to our HTML file. I'll show you my HTML file. Here is the basic HTML file I can show you, and after that I have taken the title hot tea animation, and here I have linked my CSS file. After that, in body I have taken the class container, div, another div with class plate, and after that I have taken a div with class cup. In this div I have taken another div with class top, and after that here you can see here I have taken a div with class Viper. In this div I have taken a span tags. Here I have taken a span tag. I can show you. I have taken many span tags. Here I can show you. So here I have taken. Now I have arranged my all my span tag in this class Viper. In this div with class Viper I have taken many span tags. You can see here. In this I have taken 22 span tag. You can see here the last span tag style I have taken I colon 22. So after writing 22 span tags, I have taken a div with class circle, and in this div I have taken class D, and in this after the out of this div tag I have taken another div with class handle for making handle of the cup. So after that come to CSS file. Here you can see my CSS file. Here is the CSS file, margin 0, padding 0, and box size border box for all the page. So after that I have taken body tag. In this body tag I have taken display flex, align item center, justify content center, minimum height 110 VH, and background color code I have given here. After that in class container I have taken the position relative top 50 per pixel. So after that I've taken the class cup. In this class cup, I have taken position relative, height 200 pixel, width 200 pixel, background color I have taken here. You can see my color codes also. So border bottom left radius, in left radius I have taken 45 pixel and right radius 45%. So after writing this, we'll come to the class top. In class top I have taken the border radius 50%, position absolute, background color I have taken here, and top minus 30 pixel, left 0, and width 100% and height 60 pixel. After that I have taken the class circle. In this class circle I have taken the position absolute, left 10 pixel, and background color code I have written here, and the height I have taken 50 pixel and width I have taken here, and after that top 5 pixel and overflow hidden and border radius 50% on box sizing border box. After writing that much of code, I will go for the class T. In class T I have taken top 10 pixel, left 0, position absolute, width 100%, height 100%, background color I have taken. You can write in your code. So after that I have taken border radius 50%. Now come to the class handle. For designing handle I have taken position absolute, right minus 50 pixel, top 20 pixel, width 120 pixel, transform rotate 45 degree, height 130 pixel, border 25 pixel, solid, and I have given the color code also. So after writing this, I have taken the border radius 50%, border bottom 25 pixel, solid transparent, and same thing I have written in border left also. So after that I have taken the class plate. In class plate I have taken position absolute, bottom minus 50 pixel, left 50%, height 150 pixel, and transform translate through x I have taken minus 50% and width 400 pixel, and background color I have taken same here you can see, and after that border radius 50%, box shadow I have taken here, and after that in class plate will target before. In this I have taken the right 10 pixel, bottom 10 pixel, left 10 pixel, position absolute, content should be empty, and top 10 pixel, and background color same I have written here, and border radius 50%, and after that I have taken my class plate with after, and here right 30 pixel, bottom 30 pixel, left 30 pixel, position absolute, content I said nothing, and here border radius 50%, top 30 pixel, and a background color I have written here. After that I'll go with the class wrapper. In class wrapper I have taken z index 1, display flex, position absolute, and padding 0 and 20 pixels. So after that I have taken the class wrapper. In class wrapper I have taken many span tags. For targeting the span tags I have taken position relative and border 50 pixel, display block with 8 pixel margin I have taken. You can write the code, and background also I have taken white, and height 120 pixel, border radius 50%, animation vapor 5 second, and linear and infinite. Filter blur 8 pixel, and here the animation delay. After that I have taken the add red keyframes with class vapor, and at 0% transform translate through y0, scale x 1, and opacity 0. After that 15 at 15% opacity I have taken 1, and at 50% I have taken the translate y 150 pixel, translate x 5 pixel, and I have taken the 90 at 95% opacity is 0, and at 100% transform translate y minus 30, sorry, minus 300 pixel, and scale x 10 I have taken. After writing this much of code, you will get a beautiful hot tea animation like this. I'll show you the code once again. See here is my code. You can see the code right in your PC. See here I show you my CSS code also. After writing this much, you will get a cup, hot tea cup animation like this. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe the channel. Don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video.